experience foot cramps, ankle stiffness while standing, walking or running, or if you have a flat foot, then today's video is for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 yoga stretches which will help you to fix all these problems. But the condition is you have to practice them on daily basis. So without talking much, let's get started. So we will begin our practice with sitting in Dandasana, where sitting up straight, extending my leg in front of my body, and first I will begin with squeezing my fingers up. With inhale, I squeeze it completely, and with exhale, I just spread them as much I can. Inhale and exhale. In the beginning, you can start from 3 to 5 rounds, and as you get comfortable and you gain flexibility, you can practice 15 to 20 times as well. You can keep your hands on top of knee or at the side of your hips and breathe and practice them. One last time and release. Now we are going to stretch it completely. We first take it outward. While stretching, we feel the whole stretch from shin to your calf muscles, thighs, everything feels stretched, and then stretch it towards you. You might not have more flexibility or you feel a lot of stretch at this moment, and with time you will gain flexibility. While stretching out, there is a tendency that heels go off the mat. We try to touch them on the mat and then extend it completely. You can keep your palms here or here, whatever is more convenient to you, and then stretch towards you. If you feel they are really stiff here, you can just press using your hand as well. They will give you better stretch, and keep breathing and then extend it out. Breathe. Hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and with exhale towards you. This time try to go deeper and again hold for 5 breaths. Deep inhalations and exhalations. 1, 2, you can do this. Try to keep your whole leg active on the mat. 3, 4, one last time, deep inhale. Exhale. Now bend it, and now sit up in Vajrasana first and try to point them back as much you can, keeping hips on top of heels, and press it down. Keep pressing it down. Idea is to press as much you can. Keep pressing it down. And keep looking in front of your body and keep looking in front of you, and as engaging as it can. Initially you might feel a lot of sensation and a lot of blood flow in your feet, but gradually you will feel more comfortable. Vajrasana is really good for your better digestion as well. So ideally I will suggest you to stay here for maybe 1 to 2 minutes if you are a complete beginner and you are just starting off. So you can just start from 5 breaths at a time, and then slowly you increase the time. And watch your breath, like observe how you are inhaling and exhaling. Just be present with your inhalations and exhalations, and whenever you feel uncomfortable, you can come out of the pose. Now from Vajrasana, we will try to deepen our stretch for our feet. For that, you need to place your palm right next to your hip and try to gently lift knees off the mat. As you lift up, you will feel more stretch and pressure over here. And if you can't lift your knee, use blocks here for support like this, or you can use pillow as well and try to lift like this, and don't curl your spine like this. Keep it open and keep looking ahead and feel the stretch in your feet. And if at all you feel you are ready, and then just lift it on its own and keep looking in front of your body. And you can stay here for 3 breaths or more because it's an intense stretch. So if you feel uncomfortable, you can completely come out of the pose, and if at all you can manage, then be there for 3 breaths. And keep your chest open and keep looking ahead. 1, 2, you can do this. 3, and release. And you will feel a lot of blood flow in your feet. So you can just keep in front of you, and you can just, extend it and stretch it a bit and tap it so that you feel comfortable. And once you are done, from here come to tabletop position. Knee hip width apart, palms shoulder width apart in one line, my wrist and shoulder in a line, and toes can be tucked out. And from here gently lift up to downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Shavasana. And for that, keep your feet hip width apart or little less, whatever is more convenient to you. Spread your palm as per your comfort, and once you find the comfort cushion there, extend completely your spine, and then try to bend your knee and stretch your feet as much you can. So here you are working on your stretch and dividing the weight to your palms as well as using your core to hold it well. So stretch it completely like this and stretch it out. And you can fold like this as well. If you have control, then fold it like this and stretch it. When you stretch this leg, you keep this foot active so that your weight is divided well. And again, if you see, my fingers are spreaded and my weight is completely on my both the hands, not in any particular hand, and you stretch it completely like this. You can do as many times you want, 10 to 20 times, and they give a good stretch to your feet. Keep a control and breathe. 3 more times. 1, you can do this. 2, and the last time. And with control, first place your feet, and with control drop your knees and come onto the mat. I hope you enjoy this quick yoga for feet video and you start practicing right from today. If you have enjoyed practicing with me, hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel and turn that notification on so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And don't forget to comment below that how did your practice go today or what else you want to see from my side. On that note, I'm Mallika signing off for today and I'll see you next time. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye bye.